Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer basics. Here first question is, which of the following statement is true? Option A, mini computer works faster than microcomputer. Option B, microcomputer works faster than mini computer. Option C, speed of both of the computers is the same. Option D, the speed of both these computers cannot be compared with the speed of advanced. So here the correct answer is option A. Option A. Mini computer works faster than microcomputer. Our next question. You organize files by storing them in option A, archives, folders, indexes, lists. So here we stores our files on folders. So here correct answer is option B. Folder is our correct answer. Our next question is, what type of resource is most likely to be a shared common resource in computer network? Option A, printers, speakers, floppy disk drives, keyboards. So in a network we commonly use printers. So option A is correct. Here option A, printers, is correct answer. Our next question is, which device is required for the internet connection? Option A, joystick. Option B, modem. Option C, CD drive. Option D, NIC card. For internet connection, NIC card is needed. NIC means network interface card. So our correct option is option D, NIC card. Our next question is, what is a light pen? Number A, a mechanical input device. Option B, optical input device. Option C, electronic input device. Option D, optical output device. So light pen is used for input purpose. So option B is our correct answer. Optical input device. Our next question is, what is UNIVAC? Option A, Universal Automatic Computer. Option B, Universal Array Computer. Option C, Unique Automatic Computer. Option D, Unvalued Automatic Computer. So here correct answer is option A, Universal Automatic Computer. Our next question is, CD-ROM stands for? Option A, Compactable Read-Only Memory. Option B, Compact Data Read-Only Memory. Option C, Compactable Disk Read-Only Memory. Option D, Compact Disk Read-Only Memory. So here correct answer is option C, Compactable Disk Read-Only Memory. Our next question is, ALU is? Option A, Arithmetic and Logic Unit. Option B, Array Logic Unit. Option C, Application Logic Unit. Option D, none of these. So ALU means Arithmetic and Logic Unit. This is a part of CPU. CPU has two main parts, control unit and ALU. ALU means Arithmetic and Logic Unit. Our next question is, VGA is video graphics array. Option B, visual graphics array. Option C, volatile graphics array. Option D, video graphics adapter. Here, correct option is option A, video graphics array. Video graphics array. Our next question is IBM 1401 is. So IBM 1401. Option A, third generation computer. Option B, second generation computer. Option C, third generation computer. Option D, fourth generation computer. So IBM 140 is based on transistor technology. So in which generation transistor technology was used? In second generation. So IBM 1401 is second generation computer.